Hi viewers, in this video I am going to explain some of the date functions that we most of the times use whenever you are working with the Excel sheet. See, in this is the sample Excel sheet where I have serial number, name and date of birth of the users. See here there is a one date function which will use is sometimes we need to convert into different formats of the date. So if we want to convert one of the data birth format to different formats, we have to use the function called text. Text is the function which we will use to convert the formats, different formats. See here I have specified the column C2. C2 means this one that I need to convert into the format is DDMMYY format. So the function that we have to write is text of C2, that is the which column we need to convert and what is the format. So once we specify this format and press enter, that will be converting into the format. See 9, 6, 1980. Here only it is showing 80, but here it is showing 1980 because we have specified the format, which format we need to display. This is the way we can use this text function to convert the date of birth into different formats. See here this is the another format. Here I have specified D 4 times, so that's why it's giving the format is like the Saturday, September, and D means what is the date and year. So this is the way you can specify different formats to convert the date of birth into different formats. Here I have given two sample dates and I want to calculate the difference between these two dates. So this column will retrieve the number of years difference between these 2 days. See here what I have written is the function date diff. Date diff is the Excel difference date diff function which will use to calculate the difference between 2 days. Here the value that is coming is number of years difference between these 2 days. Sample 1, sample 2 days difference is 34 days. 24 days is this one. This is the way you can calculate for years. And if you want to convert and want number of days difference is the between 2 days, then you have to use another function. See same date diff function, but the only thing is here we have to specify the D. D means number of days. So number of days difference between these 2 days. This is the way we can use date diff function to calculate the difference between the 2 dates. Again I have some more date functions in Excel sheet. See in this one here is a date of birth and you want to know the difference between the current date and date of birth. In days, if you want, you can use the function is like it is also a date diff function, but here what we have specified is today instead of sample date 2. So it will calculate difference between the today's date and your date of birth. If you specify D, it will give you the number of days difference between these 2 days. If you want number of months, then you have to use the function same, but only thing is difference we have to use M. And if you want to calculate the number of years between difference between your today's date and date of birth, then you have to use same date diff function, and only difference is you have to specify Y. If you are specifying Y, it will give the number of years difference between these 2 days means current date and date of birth. So it is nothing but your age, number of calculation, number of years means number of years difference between today's and date of birth is your age. It will give the age. This is the way you can use this function to calculate age, to calculate number of months difference between your current date and date of birth, and number of days between your current date and date of birth. So these are the one sample, and this is the other sample to get the difference between 2 days. And if you want to convert your date into text to different formats, this these are the samples that I have specified in date functions. Thank you.